In modern cities, skyscrapers symbolize development, but when facing fire incidents, traditional firefighting equipment is often ineffective. High temperature, heavy smoke threaten life and property every second. Drone rescue is transforming this predicament. With a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, the surveillance drones can reach the rescue site in 5 minutes, 75% faster than traditional rescue vehicles. Traditional drone solutions often rely on Wi-Fi or wired control. However, Wi-Fi signals are easily interfered, while wired setups risk cable entanglement. In Wuhu, China Telecom has partnered with Wuhu Fire Rescue, United Aircraft, and ZTE to pioneer in drone fire rescue, empowered by 5G-A integrated sensing and communication technology. 5G-A network supports real-time 4K video transmission from surveillance drones, provides robust decision-making support to command personnel for rapid rescue planning. Large firefighting drones can bring extinguishing equipment to optimal heights and combat high-rise building fires. 5G-A sensing technology can precisely detect drones of all sizes, delivering anti-collision warnings to protect critical flight rescue paths. Currently, the 4 parties have jointly developed a 5G-A-based drone fire rescue solution in Wuhu, covers skyscrapers of up to 274 meters. With fast and HD video transmission and precise positioning, the solution has become critical for high-rise building fire rescues. Technology safeguards lives, intelligence connects future. 5G-A drone fire rescue solution secures smarter cities and pioneers fire rescue new chapter.